Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. We're gonna season some minced beef today. So here I have half tablespoon of Lorry's seasoned salt and I'm gonna dash that in, and then I'm going in with 3 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, then 1 tablespoon garlic granules, get it all up in there. Then 1 tablespoon onion granules. So onion powder, garlic powder, if that's what you have, that's fine. Then I'm going in with 3 tablespoons green seasoning, and I will link that down below to show you how I make it. But it's a mixture of onions, sweet peppers, all the good stuff. Yeah, you need this in there. It is so good. Then I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, or if you want to grate your ginger, if you want to grate your ginger yourself, then go ahead and do that as long as you get it in there. And here I'm showing you my garlic and pepper seasoning. You don't have to add this at all, right? So yeah, I'm adding some of that. It gives a nice little kick. And then now we are going in with our hands and we are gonna just rub this, just massage it into the beef. Just massage it into the minced beef. Get it all up. You want vibes, fam? Listen, combine, mix up, get it all in there. So I like to squeeze it, rub it, squeeze it. So yeah, this is it. We're all done. So thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.